Hey, what's up, everybody, guys? This is Pankaj Singh here. So, guys, today in this video, I'm gonna talk about how can I generate traffic to my affiliate product. Right, guys? So, guys, now here, how can you generate traffic to your affiliate product? Right? Question is great, right? So, guys, here, first thing that you need to understand that traffic is not a problem at all. Yes, traffic is not a problem at all. But if we take stats, then yes, traffic is one of the biggest problem that most people uh, face. Almost 90%. They keep saying, "Hey, I don't know how to get traffic. I'm not able to get traffic." Right? And no doubt, I was facing with this problem too when I started my affiliate marketing business. But later on, I got to understand that no, traffic is not a problem. Traffic is not a problem at all. The problem is I don't have my own platform. I'm not there where I should be, where I'm supposed to be to get the attention of my ideal customer so that I can bring them to my funnel. I can tell my story and I can make them my offer. I'm not there where I'm supposed to be to get the attention of my ideal customer. I'm not having my own platform. That was the problem, guys. And that is the problem, guys, that traffic is not a problem. You can see on Facebook, thousands of peoples, they daily come on Facebook, they browse, they update their status, they come on Facebook to check their status, to upload their pictures, their videos, to watch some funny videos. But problem is you are not there to get the attention of these people. Take example of YouTube. Millions of people, they daily search on YouTube how to do this thing and that thing, how to make money online, how to work from home, how to do affiliate marketing, how to get traffic, right? Related to their problem, they keep searching, they keep coming on YouTube to find the solution to their problem. Thousands of people, millions of people, they daily search on YouTube. But problem, you are not having your own platform there so you can offer the solution to their problem, so you can get the attention of these people, those who are looking for how to make money online, how to do this thing and that thing, how to do affiliate marketing. You are not there to get their attention so that you can send such peoples to your funnel where you can tell your story and you can make your offer. That's the problem, guys. Right? Traffic is not a problem. So what you need to do, guys? Simple. Pick one platform. Let's take YouTube. Create your YouTube channel, guys. Create your YouTube channel and keep uploading your stuff, your valuable stuff that people are looking for. For example, people are looking for how to do affiliate marketing, right? So this is the keyword that people type on YouTube. So based on this keyword, create your video and upload it to your YouTube channel. No doubt, it's a very competitive keywords, but overall idea is that keep uploading your content, valuable content on the on your platform, on your, like it's your YouTube channel, right? So yes, keep consistent there, right? Slowly you will see that you are getting momentum, you are getting traffic to your videos. And yes, from there you can get, you can say, traffic to your affiliate product. You can promote your affiliate product, by putting link in your description section, right? So yes, traffic is not a problem at all, guys. Problem is you are not there to get their attention. You are not having your own platform, so you can attract your ideal customer towards you, right? You are not having your platform, so you can interact with your ideal customer, and your ideal customer can interact with you. This is the problem, guys. Right? So guys, yes, build your own platform, guys, right? By the way, if you want more on how to get traffic, then yes, there is a book you can read. This is a Traffic Secrets book by Russell Brunson, right? So yes, go and read this book, guys. Read this book. This is one of the best book, guys. Go and read this book where you will learn 20 plus virtual secrets, or you can say strategies, to get traffic to your funnel or to your website, right? If you don't know how to get traffic, go and read this book, guys. One of the best book on traffic that you can read, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? And yes, if there is anything that I can help in your business, please do let me know. I will personally help you, guys, right? And yes, guys, if you're a beginner and know nothing on how to start your online business, then yes, I would highly recommend you go and join One Funnel Away Challenge, right? This is one of the best training by one of the best coach in the world. So yes, if you're struggling, if you want to scale your business to the next level, or you are just new, know nothing about how to start your online business, then yes, go and join One Funnel Away Challenge, guys, right? To join this One Funnel Away Challenge, you can go to my profile. There is a link, www.digitalaffinitebusiness.com/OFA training, right? And yes, if you join this One Funnel Away Challenge through my link, I will give you my bonuses, right? You can check out all the details of my bonuses on that page. When you click on that link, then yes, there is, you can say there you will find all the details of my bonuses that I'm offering to you, right? So yes, you can go and check out, right? So yes, guys, this is all about today, right? And yes, if you like this training, please do like, share, and comment, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.